Be still. Yeah. Be still. Oh, well. Be still, my people. Be still. For the devil is rising. He wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still. There is good, there is God in the hearts of everyone. By the way that reflects, you know we should understand. Oh, the running up and down won't help in this time. We all got to be positive in our mind. Chill, my people, be still. Oh, now. Be still, my people, be still. For the devil is arising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still. The heart of everyone. By the way that reflects, you know we should understand. Oh, the running up and down won't help in this time. We all got to be positive in our mind. Chill, my people, be still. Be still, my people, be still. The devil is arising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. Jesus, my people, be still. Oh, chill out, my people.
Just sun comes a shining, and my sisters are all smiling. No one is a dying. My people are crying. We are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah, living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The days of destruction will never be. Oh no, not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the fool thinks he knows it all. Here comes later, he stammers and falls. He goes down for a reason. is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation, chant him down. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation. Whoa, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah, yeah.
Much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch down. Lord. Use Use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Mighty full power come fi jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to your messenger, it's giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up your lyrics and grammar them. Words, sound and power come fi hammer them. Down, down. Hey, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Them and them one I got. Them and them one I got. Them busting up the place and swear to God said them bad. But I'm mad, no man no better than Master God. Cause he will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Word, sound and power come fi jammer them. Down, down. Use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Budada, 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 day. Budada, day. The word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So link them with word power and sound. Well, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Words sound and power.
Of my Father. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked men of Babylon. Surrender. Set my people free. You're in great danger. You show no mercy, and so you're gonna suffer. The troubles are great, but remember you're gonna pay. Can't you feel the Father's vengeance just ready to melt you like butter? Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Boagan. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. Practicing evil for so long, God knows, thinking you've succeeded, but no, you're wrong. Your wicked devices gonna break your neck. The cry of my people's soul shall stop your breath. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. How long do you think the Father would sit and let you use his children to fulfill your desire? Now the time has come. We're gonna set your soul on fire, on fire. Oh well, oh Lord. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender. surrender. Retreat, wicked man of Babylon. Surrender, yeah. Oh well, yeah. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. For picking up their chest, saying they are the best, yeah, but they're only novice. Always doing what the devil requests. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. It's Jah that have made us, and not we ourselves. We are His people, and the sheep of His pasture. You shouldn't boast on your brother. We are no better than each other. We should all come to the realization that it's Jah who rules over all nations. Whether you are a black man or a Syrian, whether you're white, pink, yellow or blue, Jah rules over me and you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. How can I? Mr. Money Man, oh how much you believe in your dollars. Mr. Brown can't buy a pound of sugar and that make you feel you're superior. But no, it's not so much dear sir. You think you're in heaven but in the midst of fire. What does it profit you to gain the world and lose your soul? Seek ye first the kingdom of Jah, then you can see you have much more than gold. Much more than gold. Much more than gold. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you. Jaja is the ruler. Don't make nobody fool you.
Ain't nobody with no votes, ain't nobody with no fight.
Truths and rights.
On the truths and rights, yeah, you know.
Render your arts and not your garment.
Right.
The truth is there for who have eyes to see.
You better know.
Partiality has no place in this judgment. Remember the words of prophecy. I say, children run, come to truth and rights. That's what I'm about. You know the truth and rights. You teach it to the children. And me say you know the truth and rights.
Equal rights.
You teach it to the children, cause they should know. No.
But I'll say, ain't nobody with no fuss, ain't nobody with no fight. Till you black people should all unite. This is Burro, Banton, Johnny Osbourne singing off the truths and rights, you know.
Cause tomorrow is promised to no one. When you think it's peace and safety,
Sudden destruction.
It could be sudden destruction.
They should all know.
Because we know. Yes, we know, Lord.
Joy said treat the youth right instead of giving them a fight. Take them out to the darkness and you put them in the light. Who make the gun and the bombs and the knife? Who instigate the liquor could use them for fight. Youth in the poverty, them future no bright. And through the daily struggle, some youth lose them life. I say treat the youth right.
Remember, I say these few words to you. Remember the words I am saying to you right now.
Don't bother play them.
And for tomorrow and henceforth I say, render your arts and not your garment.
Ribbit.
The truth is there for who have eyes to see.
Aye.
Partiality has no place in this judgment. Just remember the words of prophecy. I say, children run, come to chosen right.
Man called Johnny.
That's what I'm about.
Burro Banton.
No, the chosen right. You teach it to the church.
They might fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must spite me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh no. Sabotage, them must sabotage. Why them have to make it look so hard? I don't know. Just doing a come at them yard. We make them push us around like fraud. Them a draw bad card. Just do how we get the applause. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. Yeah. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link, and Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh, go I and I not carry no hate. You know I really got to get things straight. Them not clean now. Missy said them not clean. Back out with your carnal mind. Move back with your heart full of fever. I done for a reason. Me say go down. Who I wish bad for right. Move down. You can't stop Rasta people now. I done for a reason. Hey, they my fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. I can feel it. We are them
now. My palace garden in Addis Ababa. So it can be known unto the entire world, even with a just cause David still slew the lion. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You know see him an ancient monarchy. With me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto we have gunshot tabaki. And the rum shop cheaper than Ital market. Babylon a pass, go make me mass it. Turn up the bass and the treble it a rotted. Penetrate straight through the cold hearted. Knowledge is a must, oh yes I'll blast it. So tell me what the rest you're asking. How I survive and surpass this. Ethiopia where the age should be protected. The needy never neglected. And Selassie I always reflected. I tell them about David and Goliath. Youth and them get quiet, Babylon say me start a riot. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You don't see him an ancient monarchy. With me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto we have gunshot tabaki. A black woman to who you are talking. Remember me tell you, careful who you walk with. Who go save the youth from blood and creep walking. If the generation take it to what I'm talking. Selassie I am the king of all kings, yo. I tell them Selassie never dead. Rumor them must spread, they probably sick in a them head. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect their life, yo. You don't see some man a ancient monarchy. With me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto when I've gunshot tabaki. And the rum shop cheaper than Ital market. Babylon a pass, give me the weed, come mass it. You turn up the bass and treble, make we blast it. Penetrate straight to the cold-hearted. Education is a must, so yes, I'll blast it. Yeah, so you ask me how I survive and surpass this. So that's the you show them the way, yeah. Show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You don't see say man a ancient monarchy. With me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto, yeah. Down in the ghetto, yeah. Where gunshot are? Oh yeah, another life gone, another one born, yeah. I keep moving on. Show them a, show them a, show them a, show them a, show them a. Show them a, show them a, show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You don't see the man a ancient monarchy. With me that I full suit me from the Almighty.
I will say of Jah, He is my refuge and my strength. In Him shall I trust. I will not be afraid for the terror by night, nor the horror that flieth by day. He that dwelt in the sacred place of the Most High shall abide under the counsel of the Almighty. I will say of Jah, He is my refuge and my strength. In Him shall I trust. I will not be afraid for the terror by night, nor the horror that flieth by day. And take counsel against I and I. Rastafari!
King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie,
I love King Selassie red, oh yeah. I love King Selassie I gold. I love King Selassie I green and gay. Said I love everything that is clean. So I say
I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie,
He's the only man in flesh who you can't look in the eyes. For the first time I know Jah Jah, He is so divine. He is calm as a lamb. Black sounds of freedom. Swahili Uro, Uro, Uro.
I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie,
Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, to remove the seals thereof. Jah Jah, the kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering lion of Ethiopia. How hey, how yeah. Twerk, stand your high.
I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie, I love King Selassie,
Hail the King and hail Him strong, mighty, full forever. Never put your trust in a car.
Babylon fighting war. Never put your trust in their nuclear bomb. You see where Babylon's gone wrong. With the saving strength of my arms and gain, our life must go on every day. You know that the youths, they need some food. So don't seek trouble, don't seek war, don't seek trouble. And don't seek trouble, don't seek war, the girl is in trouble. Don't seek trouble, don't seek war, don't seek trouble. Don't seek trouble, don't seek war, world is in trouble. There's too much for I and I to do. Got to be collective and constructive and gain. Look over yonder and you will see how old granny sits on the veranda, hoping that her son would come home. Let not your heart be troubled and gain. Just pray and hold on to the faith. The sun will shine for you one day. So youth man, don't let your life go down the drain. I said your heart is your heart and your thought is your thought. The brain is the ultimate meditation. Hold your medi strong. Yeah. Don't seek trouble, don't seek war, don't seek trouble. World is in trouble. Don't seek trouble, don't seek war, don't seek trouble.
Yeah, man, you get to look up on the river Nile bank, Ethiopia stand firm. Outside your rain, hey. Yeah, real, them you get to youth real. Babylon, you are the unreal. Me, I tell you now, heal the black nation, get ill. King Rastafari, bust the seven seal. Me, I tell you now, deal, no the in the wrong deal. Who can hear a go bell? Sweet, get to you, no bother still. Righteousness, me appeal. Hey, whatever grab on pan, or them one time ban. Them not see get to you, someone with pollution. Them get themselves programmed with bad injection. Well, I couldn't get to you are come sit down pan. Get a master plan. You and the boy Pope John. We put the microchip in and they use them foot and hand. Give me the Remington. I don't care a damn. Black woman a bun slide and pollution. Them come to destruction and them emotion. Well, I couldn't be black woman. You are come lead down pan. You get to this position in the wrong section. You just fight for bring information. White man, you kill the Chinese man, kill the Indian man. Now the white man want to solve the black nation. Well, a revolution in the Amokidi and me still a thought repatriation. Well, black man said, real, them ya black woman real. Babylon, you are the unreal. We are tell you now. Heal the Afghan children, them get ill. Rastafari, fly the seven steel. We are tell you now. Deal, no the in the wrong deal. Who can hear a go bell? Real, get to you, no bother still. Righteousness, we appeal. Hey, long time I have tried it as a warrior. Black people go home and to Africa. Babylon could never get me fee no sponsor. Babylon not get you fee favor. You know see say Babylon not done out you flavor. 500 years what a hard labor. Them go to Jesus and say my your savior. King Selassie I am on the water. Red up fire real. Them you get to youth real. Babylon you are the unreal. Me I tell you now. Heal the black nation get killed. King Rastafari bust the seven seal. Me I tell you now. Deal no the in a wrong deal. Who can hear a go bell? Real get to you no bother steal. Rastafari we appeal. Hey. What's the things where them support? Me I'm too much. That's why they want us the right to liberty, the right to life and security of person. Everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. Well, I call upon the Council of England, Queen Elizabeth. I turn fundamental freedom, redemption, black international repatriation. Yeah,
hear me? Yeah, man, you know, hear me say the word down in Jamaica, Ethiopian. To every deals the government. Remember that. Everyone has the right to liberty, the right to life and security of person. Everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression. Well, I call upon the Council of England, Queen Elizabeth. I turn fundamental freedom, redemption, black international repatriation. Y'all hear me? Help us, love. Love set me free, I'm gone. Africa, I wanna be, come along. Yeah. And I will be the strength of the bird. Lovingly we strive on the earth. Yeah. There's no pain in the love we have found. There's no pain in the love we have found. Beautiful words will make you mine. Yeah. There could never be a better time. Yeah. Put your problems away, love is the source of life. And after the rain, the sun comes shining bright. You're my beloved, my beloved, my beloved, my beloved. There's no pain in the love we have found. No pain in the love we have found. Tears in your eyes again. Oh, salvation try it, nice shout Emmanuel. Hey, hey, hey. Me know Selassie, I annihilate all your pain. Whoa, we're all raised together, just come love me again. Whoa. There's no pain in the love we have found. Hey, no pain in the love we have found. Hey, love set me free, I'm gone. Yeah, Africa, I wanna be, come along. Truly, and I will be the strength from your birth. Hey, lovingly we strive with the joy of the hurt. There's no pain in the love that we found. Emperor Selassie, got it right, we're shining bright. Boom.
Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Let us give Jah thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right.
Be active and responsive. Don't you be clumsy. Don't you hurt the children of the earth and let no one see. Youths have to die. Don't you go astray. Open and pray and let the blessing come amongst me. Remember what Jah has done for us. Create the heaven and the earth. He shine the sun for us. He watch over our daughters and the sun for us. He's for all, not just some of us. Let us give Jah thanks and the praise for all His goodness all those years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful, aim for right. Children, give Jah thanks and praise for all His love and kindness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful and aim for right. Love to the world, everyone say. We've been coming a long way. Mount Zion, I love surround way. They get it going the wrong way. El King
Selassie, of course. Rastafari is the Lord of course. Israel King is Israel God, of course. Love the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, of course. Do job thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. For give God thanks and praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful, just be faithful. Is the last year. Oh, from morning till noon, give thanks and praise before you doom. Most like the last year is coming soon. Him the fire, the wicked consume. From the hills to the valleys, from the stream, the fountains and the tributaries, all living things, they're on this territory down. Hey, King Selassie, make it hurry. Let us give God thanks and the praise for all His goodness all these years. Don't be ungrateful.
That's why I turn my sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, community is second every hour. In my hours of distress and in times of weariness, He is always there at my request. Even when I was close to death, when my foes came to eat up my flesh, Jah was my refuge and strength. He is my fortress. Yes, when I call on Him, He will hear my supplication. He is my rock and my salvation. Oh yes, I do, community be second every hour. I do, that's why I turn my sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, community be second every hour. With all the wonders He has done upon His creation, from the rising of the sun until it goeth down. I will lift my voice to Him, the one who rules eternally. He's my master and my king. He is my destiny. Yes, on Him I can depend in every little thing. He is willing to defend my soul from every sin. So I do, the community be second every hour. I do, that's why I turn my sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, community be second every hour. Great is the Lord and greatly to be praised. His wondrous works are seen from days of days. Yes, He's been good to all, both mighty and small. In the midst of any crisis, He hears me when I call. I do, community be second every hour. I do, that's why I turn the sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, community be second every hour. I do, Jah will never leave us. Where His well will not protect I. We'll give our strength, oh Jah, through this Gideon, through this dispensation. Will I manifest for is my light and my salvation. He is my guidance and protection. To whom shall I fear? He is my rock and my foundation. He is the one of my salvation. Who shall I fear? When the wicked come upon me to eat up my flesh, they would all just fade away. Jaja is the only, yes, he is the only. Jaja is the only man. My heart feels and knows the bitterness that has been handed down to those who seek for righteousness. But I will be strong nevertheless, 'cause I know that I love and manifest. Yes, when the wicked come upon me to beat up my flesh, Jah and his angels will be my fortress. Jah will surround me with his love and mercy. All I do is call upon his name, Yahweh. Oh, Jah, Jah, Jah. When the heathen come upon me to eat up my flesh, Jah will be our guide. He will be our fortress. Yahweh is my only. Jaja is my only. Yahweh is the only man. Yeah. Rastafari.
I know mercy for the merciless. They're taking advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Taking advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Everyone is looking out for themselves. God knows they care about no one else. And I know they work their tricks by giving a little, only to deceive you, then break your poor little heart in two. They're taking advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. It may be long, but not forever. You'll get nowhere in your foolish endeavor. Remember, your words shall be your evidence. Jah is watching you from across the fence. Taking advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Taking advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged. Jaja, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Oh Lord, yeah, yeah, yeah. Fret not yourself because of evildoers. Yet a little while and they shall be no more. Get your strength from one who's got the power. I know you'll overcome, and of that I'm sure. Taking advantage of the underprivileged, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged, too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Share something with you. Oh God, share something with you. Yeah. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Yeah. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. We have the power to turn things around. It's for us to stand up when we fall to the ground. I say this with a smile, pause for a while. Listen, my son, the prophets have come. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. No use in trying to compromise the truth. Our eyes are open, we're taking our youths to the land of our father, Mama Africa. Mama, prepare yourselves, tell it to your neighbor. Music is the rod and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promised land. Music is the voice of his brother Aaron, yes. Preaching and comforting at the Father's command. Striking the rock, making true love flow. Oh, that flowing love is what we need to go. With this, things can only be better. Setting the foundation for the future. Music is a rod, and we are Moses. Leading God's children to the promise. Oh, well, yeah. Oh, oh. Us in slavery, and what they gave us was brutality. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Put us in this world of wickedness, cover our face with darkness. All I see is war. I and I say we got to stay far. In this Armageddon, there will be no mercy. There will be weeping and wailing. Whoa, ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, ole, ole, oh. Whoa, yeah. We're here to love and care for each other, and not to fight over brothers. No, so let's get together and live as one. And destroy this was brutality. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, oh, whoa, yeah. I can see, God knows. Oh Lord, help us, God. Whoa. Is war. I and I say we got to stay far. In this Armageddon, there will be no mercy. There will be weeping and wailing. Ole, ole, oh, whoa, yeah. Ole, ole, oh, whoa, yeah.
I'm here to pick up black people with the Ethiopian countries. I'm here to pick up the children foundation, speak with enemies in that gate, man. Yo. Look at Rastafari children. He's royal to will on his diadem, yeah. Look at Rastafari children, fighting for truths and rights. Protect Rastafari children. Me nah go destroy me, come fi build them, boy. Look at us, we are the children. Upright and clean, it's just sight. Can't just on this, me no contrary. Stop move anxious before them lick it down like me theory. Wicked man works, that will never scare me. Rastafari, well in come and prepare it. Righteousness at that calonti come declare it. Real King Selassie, pagan can't come near me. Rastafari is over king, no 30 daddy derry. King Selassie sit up in his holy sanctuary. Look at Rastafari children. Royal jewel and his diadem. Look at Rastafari children. Me say you know fi destroy nor kill them. Look at Rastafari children. Royal black people, me say fi give me them, I fi me them. Look at Rastafari children. Upright and clean in the sight. Me glad the them me born. To me black and relax, the whole of them has come. No go sell out and now them done run gone. They are see them, we are them are born. Rise up very early in the morn. My black like a brass. White man, let me tell you about your ass. Fulfill Rastafari task. No I know. Look at Rastafari children. He's royal jewel on his diadem, yo. Look at black people children. Defending the truths and rights, yo. Protect black woman children. Her royal jewel and her diadem of me them. Look at Rastafari children. Upright and clean in the sight. Say big up now you begin at the tabernacle. Big up Bobo Shanti a chant in a tabernacle. Sizzla Kalonji a big up mad in a buckle. Broke up down fresh and broke the chain and broke the tackle. Now you bring the music them a dance and a muggle. Jaja make the bees and the birds in a young. The human beings and sheep he make them for the cattle. Rastafari sit up on the pinnacle. Black people them now come miracle. Sharp me soda me go sharp me sickle. Can't have the youth them food nor bickle. Oh yeah boy, look at when them look at Rastafari children. His royal jewel and his diadem a me them. Look at Rastafari children, defending his truths and rights. Look at Rastafari children. His royal jewel and his diadem a me them, give me them. Look at Rastafari children. Upright and clean in just sight. Yo, can't trust on myself in no contrary. Start move anxious before them lick it down like pictionary. Rastafari works, Kalonji come declare it. Wicked man, who don't never steer me. Here King Selassie, pagan can't come near it. Rastafari is our king, no dirty ordinary.
Rebel warrior, them a go rebel, and I won't fail, much less to compel. You have the knowledge, you tell. Emmanuel say up with your policies, down with your folly things, light in your crevices. No matter what it is, look within the sin. The Naya Bingi keeps rolling. Hey. Freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black man rise. Too long you there under disguise. Up with the Palestine freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black woman rise. Too long you've been under your disguise. So long in affliction, the conquering lion shall help. And every day the robbers of the people keep on exalting themselves. Yo, so greedy, robbing from the needy. Hey, where is the poor man's wealth? Yo, this isn't easy, would you believe me? Babylon is messing up your wealth. Hey, for no reason, we have been prisoned. Youths, let your voices be heard. You and every season, them target black people. To kill the innocent, they have the nerve. Up with the policies, freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black man rise. Too long you there in your disguise. Up with the policies, freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black man rise. Too long you there in a disguise. No more suffering, we are go home. No more rustling to the town. To ease all of the pain, we have to chant figure home. Release the mental chain from down in a room. Nothing you again and every day you are moan. No strain to give us the honey from the crown. More and more rain pouring down. Hardcore warrior tell me how me sound. Inflation a crush you just like bone. Fluctuation a rush you out of them town. When we go Africa and left them alone. House is slave, why is it to crave for more? Tell them this will of freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black woman rise. Salvation never come in a disguise. Up with the policies, freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Black woman rise. Salvation never come in a disguise. Well, I receive the blessings of the morning. From afar I hear Ethiopia calling. Tell them free, give by the knowledge of the king. The power of the Trinity always lie within. I innocent slave, down in the west. From Africa them take way, that make me vex. On them slave ship, a black man full every deck. And only in the west, me now go flow. No flag with no X, yo. Hey, freedom cry. Black people wipe the tears from your eyes, yeah. Oh,
say I am doing Jah will, moving on still, gotta make it over life's hill. Whoa, I am doing Jah will, moving on still, gotta make it over life's hill. Plant up some trees and plant up some corn. Till up the side and rope up my farm. Man, I no time for sit down and keep calm. Me have to work to perform. And much more another baby just born. The little youth them a belch and a yarn. Prepare for job, famine and starve. Papa Lucci come for nice something wrong. I am doing Jah will, moving on still. I gotta make it over like still. Say Papa, Lucci did it. And when the jumping then you know me, happy did it. If the jumping there and Europe bless me, happy did it. If the jumping there Africa yes me, happy did it. If the jumping there and essential reggae, yes me have to do it. Some man come round, you're gonna crab it. And I destroy the roots of the next sreggae. But I am doing Jawi, moving on still. I gotta make it over like say. Oh, yes, I am doing Jawi, moving on still. I gotta make it over like say. It's not easy at all, but I won't get weary. I will stand up tall. Babylon I try to hold I down, but I'm on rise and stand my rise. Good over evil, I'm on great sound. Beat them with power and sound. I must go down. But the evil man they must go down. He then and she then must go down. This time the judgment will not be with water, but brimstone and fire. Well, burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Judgment to a wicked and evil down pressure. Who try to hold the poor man down, oh Lord. Retribution to those heartlessly drivers. Receive your reward for wrongs you have done, Lord. No escape from the wrath of Jah. Answer to your Creator. Yes, stagnant you suffer. Wicked man must go under. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Gonna burn them down. Eden go down. Yes, a long time I've been sweating and toiling in a hurricane field. And although we've been struggling, I know we no get a fair deal. Well, as a little war busts out, and we first put for the battlefield. But for the innocent lives we've been taking, it's to Jah we appeal. Yes, I say burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet paper. 7 times the sun get hotter. Jah burn them down. He then go down. Lord. Them enslave I and turn I and I into paupers, believing that they would get away. No, they never realized that they would encounter the wrath of our Creator. The wicked could never prosper. Their end will be total disaster. Brimstone and fire. Wicked man must go under. Burn, Jah, burn them. Burn all the Eden and cheating. Hot like Scotch bonnet. The blind as we travel on. Yeah, we need each other. Where we wanna go if we only just work together. Yeah. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Yeah. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Hey, hey, yeah. All for one, one for all. Me nah see that, none at all. No, no. Let's get back to the chain of life and find the missing link. Hey. Open up our minds and universalize the way we think. The way we think. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. When life's burden gets heavy for your shoulders to carry, you need a friend or family, someone who's a company. Don't be afraid to ask for help to survive the stormy blast. Reach out and you may find help is on the line. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Everyone need help to climb up the ladder. Like one family we have to stick together. Like sheep on one flank, birds have one feather. Listen to the voice of only come all love. I know where life can get better. Every man I want like say them a hot stepper. Some man I want like say them a top shotter. Time for we live up and serve the Father. Why can't we unite for the benefit of our youth? Sake of our generations coming. Oh my Lord, 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 love is what we need in this world today. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Let's do it. Together we can do it. Together we stand as divided we fall. Them can't take the botheration. No, no. The people want liberation now. Them can't take the frustration. No, no, no. Oh, what a day it will be for all my people to see reality. Forgetting all sad memories, let's deal with what is reality. Say them want liberation, no. Yeah. Oh, hey. Can't tell the botheration. No, no, no. Too much confusion. Yeah. Too much frustration. Well, no. Oh, what a foundation. Yeah. Oh Lord, to have a liberation. Oh Lord, oh, each and every man has got to make a plan. Oh, well, to have a liberation.
Intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. Hey, you Mr. Lyington, you shouldn't say what you've said. Now you make me mad. I'm feeling like I'm gonna break your head. Whoa, whoa. I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. You regard us as animals, our predecessors as cannibals. You say we came from the ape, but we know the truth. So you are late. We know where we are going, and we know where we're from. So to hell with you and your brainwash education. I'm vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it. Coming with your bag of tricks, telling us nothing but foolishness. How much you are our superior and sin cause our complexion to be looking like this. Whoa, whoa, I am vexed. I can't pretend. I am vexed, and I don't intend to deny it. I am vexed. Yes, I've got to show it. I am vexed. I know I just can't hide it.
A place to live in this jungle created by mankind. Where will I lay my weary head? Tell me how I'll find a peace of mind. Some say earth are unreal. Man and man must ensure them way. But I feel like running instead, yeah. And finding I'll be free. Oh, I will take me over into the valley. Yes, I'll find me a place. I'll be free. Yes, I'll take me far away from the city. Mother Nature is calling me. So many years in starvation, and I can't find a thing to now. Sometimes I contemplate and wonder what is wrong. Though I try so hard, I just can't get along with. some more. So I'll find me a place where I'll be free. Whoa, yes, I'll take me over years in the valley. Yes, I'll find me a place. I'll be free. Yes, I'll take me far away from the sea. Mother Nature is calling me. Doing my best to serve mankind, to liberate the captivated mind. Still they don't seem to hear my call, so I won't linger and perish with them at all. Hey. Some say earth are unreal. Man and man must ensure them here. But I feel like running still, Lord, and find me a place. I'll be free. Whoa, I will take me over years in the valley. Yes, I'll find me a place. Well, I don't like it. Almighty no. There's so much going on. People living wrong down here. Oh, well. Too much guns and gangs. People live in doubt and fear. Almighty no. There's so much going on. People living wrong down here. Oh. Too much guns and gangs. People live in doubt and fear. Oh, well. A pure boy and bloodshed. Oh, yes. Blum, 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 and a man dead. Help us, Father God. Save us from this pain and this pain. Oh, yeah. And though by his sweat that Jah said, every man shall eat his bread, but not by copper or lead. With all these words been spoken, it's not getting in their head. Poor Mother Earth is running red. There's so much going on. People living wrong down here. Oh. Too much guns and gangs. People live in doubt and fear. Oh, boy. So much going on. People living wrong down here. Too much guns and gangs. People live in doubt and fear. Why this violence? Almighty God, they're killing with intent. Now, we gotta stop them. Oh, yeah. Such evil living is intense. Oh, yeah. This is not the way it ought to be. Everyone should love and give. Please, Jah, let your power be seen. Bring back the love and the peace to the family.